Do you know that hydrogen peroxide, commonly used to sanitize, can be used for sterilization? Traditional processes that use hydrogen peroxide allow only a surface sanitization of the product because the peroxide deposits only on the exposed surfaces, reducing only in part the bacterial spores. The Lama has introduced an appropriate technology registered with the trademark HyPerPure, unique in the world. We are in front of a real equipment for an important customer for the sterilization of medical devices. This is a 13 cubic meters chamber, and this equipment is ready for FIT. In fact, we are in the manufacturing area of the Lama. HyPerPure technology is able to obtain an environment and a product, even if packaged, totally immersed in a saturated atmosphere with peroxide vapors, which guarantee the full achievement of sterility conditions. Now, with HyPerPure technology, we can sterilize thermosensitive products because we can treat them at low temperature and low pressure. Here we have some samples. For example, we can sterilize surgical kits, like this, with textile inside, and products can be packaged in Tyvek or medical paper. These are other type of surgical kits. We can sterilize dialysis filters, like this one. Syringes can be treated in HyPerPure technology. Syringes in their packaging, because hydrogen peroxide is able to enter in the environment, inside the packaging, and reach all the surfaces and sterilize the product inside. We can sterilize syringes in their nest. Also, catheters and intracardiac catheters can be treated in the HyPerPure technology. Electronic devices, battery packages can be sterilized in HyPerPure technology. Now I'm showing you some samples, some common samples, but you can use HyPerPure technology to sterilize different types of materials, solid materials that are usually treated with saturated steam or with other technology. With HyPerPure technology, you can reach log 12 reduction without the use of steam, ethylene oxide, gamma, or beta rays. The Lama HyPerPure technology is able to create a deep vacuum in the chamber. If we compare HyPerPure technology with ethylene oxide, we can list many advantages. It is not a pressure vessel, and it does not require PED certification. Technique test in vacuum can be performed. It has a very low consumption of hydrogen peroxide with consequent reduction of sterilization cost. It is not harmful for the environment, and this is a very important aspect today, and nowadays regulated by government rules. The total cycle length is only 4-5 hours compared with 24 hours of ethylene oxide. The overall is only 1 cent. Does not require additional preconditioning and final degassing rooms. The chamber includes the conditioning, sterilization, and degassing phases. And at the end of the in-chamber treatment, the product is ready for its use. In practice, time to market is only 1 cent compared with ethylene oxide. Please have a look at this 3D video to better understand how hydrogen peroxide penetrates inside the packaging and then is extracted through a vacuum pump. With HyPerPure technology, you can internalize the sterilization process easily without having to rely on external bodies, with a reduction of management times and costs, such as transport or cylinder refill logistics. This type of technology has already been delivered and successfully validated to customers in Italy, Europe, United States, Australia, and it has been received by regulatory bodies. Uses up-to-date validated are in pharmaceutical, medical, and implants. This technology is just perceived as the potential alternative of the wet heat sterilization after verifying the compatibility of the materials. I'm in the technical department where each single equipment is studied and engineered in accordance with customer requests. For example, this is the same equipment that I showed you in the manufacturing area before. And here, the study of the customized internal trolley in accordance with customer's load.